10 tax-saving hacks every gig economy worker needs to know for 2023. Are you tired of feeling like you're paying too much in taxes every year? As a freelancer, contractor, or self-employed person, it can be tough to navigate the complex world of taxes and figure out how to keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. But fear not, because in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 tax-saving hacks that every gig economy worker needs to know for 2023. That's right, by the end of this video, you'll have a whole toolbox of strategies and tips to help you minimize your tax bill, maximize your deductions and credits, and stay on top of your taxes throughout the year. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in the gig economy, these hacks will help you take control of your finances and keep more of your money where it belongs, with you. So get ready to learn some valuable tips and tricks that can save you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in taxes. It's time to hack your way to tax savings in 2023. Hack number 1. Keep track of your expenses. As a gig economy worker, you're likely racking up a lot of expenses as you go about your business. Whether it's gas for your car, supplies for your craft, or tools for your trade, all those costs can really add up. But did you know that you can deduct many of those expenses from your taxable income, potentially saving you a lot of money on your taxes? The key to taking advantage of these deductions is to keep track of your expenses throughout the year. That means saving your receipts, logging your mileage, and tracking any other expenses you incur in the course of your work. By doing this, you'll have a clear picture of your business expenses when tax time rolls around, and you'll be able to deduct as much as you're legally entitled to. But don't worry, you don't need to be a bookkeeping expert to do this. There are plenty of tools and apps out there that can make it easy to track your expenses on the go, so you don't have to spend hours poring over receipts and spreadsheets. Some popular options include QuickBooks, Expensify, and MileIQ, but there are many others to choose from. Hack number 2. Make the most of retirement contributions. As a gig economy worker, you don't have access to a traditional employer-sponsored retirement plan like a 401 or pension. But that doesn't mean you should neglect your retirement savings. In fact, contributing to a retirement account can be a great way to lower your taxable income and save for your future at the same time. There are a few different types of retirement accounts that gig economy workers can contribute to, including a traditional IRA, a Roth IRA, and a SEP IRA. Each has its own benefits and limitations, so it's important to do your research and choose the one that's right for you. One of the biggest advantages of contributing to a traditional IRA or SEP IRA is that you can deduct your contributions from your taxable income. That means if you contribute $5,000 to your IRA in 2023, you can reduce your taxable income by $5,000, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars on your taxes. Plus, your money grows tax-deferred until you withdraw it in retirement, which can give your savings an extra boost over time. If you opt for a Roth IRA instead, you won't get a tax deduction for your contributions, but your money will grow tax-free and you won't owe any taxes on your withdrawals in retirement. That can be a great option if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket in retirement than you are now. Hack number 3. Take advantage of deductions and credits. As a gig economy worker, you're entitled to a number of deductions and credits that can help lower your tax bill. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits reduce the actual amount of tax you owe. By taking advantage of these tax breaks, you can keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Some common deductions for gig economy workers include home office expenses, vehicle expenses, and business-related travel expenses. For example, if you use a portion of your home exclusively for work, you may be able to deduct a portion of your rent, mortgage, or utilities as a home office expense. Similarly, if you use your car for work-related purposes, you can deduct a portion of your vehicle expenses, such as gas, maintenance, and insurance. In addition to deductions, there are also several tax credits that gig economy workers may qualify for. For example, the Earned Income Tax Credit is a credit for low to moderate income workers that can provide a significant tax break. There's also the Child and Dependent Care Credit, which can help offset the cost of childcare if you have dependents. But here's the catch: you have to know about these deductions and credits in order to claim them. That's why it's important to do your research and work with a tax professional to ensure you're taking advantage of all the tax breaks available to you. Hack number 4, strategize your income. As a gig economy worker, your income can be unpredictable from month to month. But did you know that you can actually use this to your advantage when it comes to taxes? By strategizing your income, you can potentially lower your tax bill and keep more of your money. One way to do this is by timing your income and expenses strategically. For example, if you know you'll be in a higher tax bracket in 2024 than you are in 2023, you may want to defer some of your income until the following year. On the other hand, if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket in 2023, you may want to accelerate some of your income into this year to take advantage of the lower tax rate. Another way to strategize your income is by taking advantage of income-based tax credits and deductions. For example, if you're eligible for the Retirement Savings Contributions Credit, you can get a tax credit of up to 50% of your contributions to a retirement account. By contributing to your retirement account strategically, you can maximize this credit and potentially save hundreds of dollars on your taxes. It's also important to be aware of how different types of income are taxed. For example, income from freelance work is generally subject to both federal income tax and self-employment tax, while investment income may be taxed at a different rate. By understanding the tax implications of different types of income, you can make informed decisions about how to earn and report your income. By strategizing your income and taking advantage of tax credits and deductions, you can potentially save hundreds or even thousands of dollars on your taxes in 2023. So don't overlook the power of income planning when it comes to your taxes. Hack number 5. Hire a tax professional. Let's face it, taxes can be confusing and time-consuming, especially if you're a gig economy worker with multiple streams of income. That's why it's often a good idea to hire a tax professional to help you navigate the complex world of taxes. A tax professional can help you identify all the deductions and credits you're eligible for, ensuring that you're not leaving any money on the table. They can also help you prepare and file your taxes accurately and on time, reducing the risk of costly mistakes or penalties. But hiring a tax professional doesn't just save you time and hassle, it can also save you money. A tax professional can help you develop a tax strategy that maximizes your deductions and credits, potentially saving you hundreds or even thousands of dollars on your tax bill. Of course, hiring a tax professional does come with a cost. However, the expense may be well worth it when you consider the potential tax savings and the peace of mind that comes with knowing your taxes are in good hands. When hiring a tax professional, make sure to do your research and choose someone who is experienced and knowledgeable about taxes for gig economy workers. You may also want to consider working with someone who offers a flat fee rather than charging by the hour, as this can help you avoid surprise costs. Hack number 6. Consider incorporating. If you're a gig economy worker who earns a significant amount of income from your freelance work, you may want to consider incorporating your business in 2023. By doing so, you could potentially lower your tax bill and gain additional legal and financial protections. One of the biggest advantages of incorporating is that it allows you to take advantage of certain tax deductions and credits that may not be available to individuals. For example, as a business owner, You may be able to deduct a portion of your home office expenses, travel expenses, and even some entertainment expenses. In addition, incorporating can also provide you with legal and financial protections that aren't available to individual freelancers. For example, incorporating can help protect your personal assets in the event of a lawsuit or bankruptcy. Of course, incorporating isn't right for everyone, and it does come with some additional costs and paperwork. You'll need to choose the right type of business entity, such as an LLC or S corporation, and follow the proper legal and tax procedures to ensure that your business is set up correctly. But for many gig economy workers, incorporating can be a smart financial move that not only reduces your tax bill but also provides added legal and financial protections. So if you're earning a significant amount of income from your freelance work, consider speaking with a tax professional or business lawyer to explore the benefits of incorporating in 2023. Hack number 7. Stay organized throughout the year. One of the best ways to save money on your taxes as a gig economy worker is to stay organized throughout the year. This means keeping track of your income, expenses, and receipts as you go, rather than scrambling to find everything at tax time. Staying organized not only makes the tax preparation process less stressful, but it can also help you identify all the deductions and credits you're eligible for. For example, if you keep a log of your mileage or expenses for each gig, you'll have a better idea of how much you can deduct when tax time rolls around. There are several tools and apps available that can help you stay organized throughout the year. For example, you might consider using a digital receipt tracking app, like Expensify or Shoeboxed, to easily track your expenses and receipts. Or you could use a mileage tracking app, like MileIQ, to automatically track your business-related mileage. Another option is to set up a separate bank account or credit card for your gig economy income and expenses. This can help you keep your personal and business finances separate and make it easier to track your income and expenses. Of course, staying organized does require some discipline and effort on your part. But the time and energy you invest in keeping your records organized throughout the year can pay off in the form of reduced stress, better tax savings, and a more successful freelance business. Hack number 8. Know your state tax laws. As a gig economy worker, it's important to not only understand federal tax laws but also the tax laws in your state. Each state has its own tax laws, which can impact how much you owe in state income tax and what deductions and credits you're eligible for. Some states, for example, have lower income tax rates or provide additional tax credits for small business owners or self-employed individuals. By knowing your state tax laws, you can take advantage of these benefits and potentially save money on your taxes. In addition, some states have different rules and requirements for filing state income tax returns. For example, some states may require you to file quarterly estimated tax payments, while others may not. Failing to comply with your state's tax laws could result in penalties and fines, so it's important to understand and follow the rules. To ensure that you're maximizing your tax savings and staying compliant with state tax laws, consider consulting with a tax professional or accountant who is familiar with your state's tax code. They can help you identify all the state tax deductions and credits you're eligible for and ensure that you're meeting all the necessary filing requirements. Hack number 9. Plan ahead for estimated taxes. As a gig economy worker, you're responsible for paying estimated taxes throughout the year. These payments are made quarterly and are based on your expected income for the year. Planning ahead for estimated taxes is crucial if you want to avoid penalties and interest charges. Underpaying your estimated taxes can result in a large tax bill at the end of the year, as well as penalties and interest charges for failing to pay enough throughout the year. To plan ahead for estimated taxes, it's important to have a good understanding of your income and expenses for the year. This can be challenging as a gig economy worker, where income can vary from month to month and gig to gig. However, by keeping track of your income and expenses throughout the year, you can get a better sense of what your tax liability will be. Another key factor to consider when planning for estimated taxes is the timing of your income and expenses. By strategically timing your income and expenses, you can potentially reduce your tax liability and ensure that you're making the most of your deductions and credits. Hack number 10. Stay informed and stay updated. Tax laws and regulations are constantly changing, which means that staying informed and up to date is essential if you want to minimize your tax bill and avoid costly mistakes. As a gig economy worker, it's especially important to stay informed about tax laws and regulations that specifically affect you. This can include changes to tax deductions and credits, new filing requirements, and updates to state and federal tax laws. One way to stay informed is to follow reliable tax news sources, such as the IRS website, tax blogs, and reputable accounting and financial news sources. You can also consider subscribing to email newsletters or alerts that provide updates on tax-related topics. Another way to stay updated is to work with a tax professional or accountant who can help you stay on top of changes to tax laws and regulations. They can also help you identify new tax-saving strategies and ensure that you're complying with all the necessary filing requirements. It's also important to stay organized throughout the year and keep good records of your income and expenses. This can help you stay informed about your tax situation and ensure that you're taking advantage of all the available deductions and credits. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our list of 10 tax-saving hacks every gig economy worker needs to know for 2023. By implementing these hacks, you can reduce your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. As a gig economy worker, managing your taxes can be challenging, but by staying organized, planning ahead, and staying informed, you can navigate the tax landscape with confidence and ease. Remember, the key to minimizing your tax bill is to stay on top of your income and expenses, take advantage of deductions and credits, and work with a tax professional or accountant when needed. By following these tips, you can ensure that you're making the most of your tax situation and maximizing your financial well-being. We hope you found these hacks helpful and that you're feeling inspired to take control of your taxes in 2023. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on personal finance and tax management. Thanks for watching. This video that was authored by OpenAI's ChatGPT. With the company taking on billions of dollars in investments, this is the perfect time to find out ways for this innovative tool to help you learn about personal finance. Audio for this video was provided by NaturalSoft Limited's Natural Reader AI software using their commercial license. Per their website, this license allows you to use its software and voices for commercial or public use. This includes, but is not limited to, YouTube videos, public announcements, broadcasts, and e-learning.